by Clyde's bonny banks, as I sadly did wander among the pit heaps as evening grew nigh, I spied a young maiden all dressed in deep mourning, a-weeping and wailing with many a sigh. I stepped up beside her and this I addressed her, pray tell me, fair maid, of your trouble and pain. Sobbing and sighing, at last she did answer, Johnny Murphy, kind sir, was my true lover's name. 21 years of age, full of youth and good-looking, to work down the mines of high Blantyre he came. The wedding was fixed, all the guests were invited. That calm summer's evening, my Johnny was slain. The explosion was heard, all the women and children, with pale, anxious faces, made haste to the mine. When the truth was made known, the hills rang with their mourning. 310 young miners were slain. Now husbands and wives and sweethearts and brothers, that Blantyre explosion they'll never forget. And all you young miners who hear my sad story, shed a tear for the victims who are laid to their